The Power of One Book. Welcome to English Listening Journey. Have you ever thought that just one book could change your life? Today, we'll share the inspiring story of how reading a single book in English transformed someone's perspective and improved their language skills forever. A struggle with English. Meet Daniel, a 28-year-old from Brazil. For years, he struggled with English. He had taken classes, memorized vocabulary, and practiced grammar exercises. But when it came to speaking fluently or understanding native speakers, he always felt lost. He doubted himself and believed he would never become fluent. One day, a friend suggested something different, reading a book entirely in English. At first, Daniel laughed at the idea. How can I read a whole book in English when I barely understand movies without subtitles? He thought. But something inside him told him to give it a try. Choosing the right book. Instead of picking a difficult novel, Daniel started with something manageable, a graded reader, a book designed for English learners. It was a classic story rewritten in simple English. The first few pages felt like a challenge. He had to look up words, reread sentences, and sometimes felt frustrated. But he made a decision. He wouldn't stop. Every day, he read just a few pages, highlighting new words and guessing meanings from context. After a week, something amazing happened. He realized that he needed to look up fewer words. The phrases started to make sense naturally, and his reading speed improved. More importantly, he started thinking in English instead of translating word by word. A shift in perspective. Daniel wasn't just learning English anymore. He was living it. The book's story fascinated him, and he found himself getting emotionally involved. He started to connect with the characters, understand humor, and even predict what might happen next. For the first time, English didn't feel like a subject in school. It felt like an experience. When he finished the book, he felt a deep sense of accomplishment. He had never imagined he could read a full book in English. This success gave him confidence to pick up another book, and then another. He slowly transitioned to regular English novels, articles, and blogs. The more he read, the more his vocabulary expanded, and his ability to think in English grew stronger. The impact on his English skills. Over the next few months, Daniel noticed huge improvements. His speaking skills improved because he had more words and phrases stored in his mind. He started using expressions naturally because he had seen them used in different contexts. His listening skills improved as well, since he had trained his brain to process English without translating. He even started writing in English more confidently. Inspired by the book he had read, he began journaling in English every night. It helped him organize his thoughts, express himself better, and see his progress over time. A new passion for learning. What started as a simple challenge turned into a new passion. Daniel no longer saw English as something difficult or boring. Instead, he saw it as a doorway to new worlds, stories, and ideas. Books became his secret weapon for improving his skills. He realized that fluency wasn't just about studying. It was about immersing himself in the language and enjoying the process. Now, Daniel encourages other English learners to do the same. He believes that reading even just one book in English can open doors, build confidence, and change the way you learn forever. How you can do it too. If you feel stuck in your English learning journey, try reading a book in English. Choose something at your level, perhaps a graded reader, a short novel, or even a book you've already read in your native language. Don't worry about understanding every word. Focus on the story guess meanings from context, and keep going. Reading in English is one of the most effective ways to improve vocabulary, grammar, and fluency naturally. More importantly, it helps you think in English without translating. Like Daniel, you might find that one book is all it takes to spark a love for learning that will stay with you forever. Thank you for watching English Listening Journey. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Let us know in the comments, what was the first book you read in English? Keep practicing, keep reading, and we'll see you in the next video.